I think these are the best pops that have come out this year. So today we're going to be taking a break from the Halloween videos and checking out 2 new Funko Pops that have come out this month. These pops are amazing. We will continue with the Halloween videos next week, so please subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. and make sure to hit the notification bell so you do not miss them. Before we get into this big pop, we have a small one to check out. This is the Disney Parks exclusive Chef Figment Food and Wine Festival Funko Pop. Before we take a closer look at the actual pop figure, let's check out the box. The front of the box features this really cool Epcot International Food and Wine Festival logo. I love how it's made up of all different types of foods from all the different countries. It has a purple background, and I love that the number is surrounded with the Epcot ball. Looking down on the side, you see the graphic of Chef Figment with the text and the authentic original Disney Parks exclusive sticker. To the sides, it just includes the name and the numbers and other graphics of Figment. Looking on the back, you see that continued gray stripe going around the side as well that has the different icons from all over Epcot of the different countries. You also see bigger the 2019 Epcot International Food and Wine Festival Taste Your Way Around the World logo. I will have shopdisney.com linked down below so you guys can check out the Funko Pops that are available. I'm not sure if he is still available, but he was $19.99. Let's take a better look at Chef Figment. Oh my gosh. Figment is adorable. He is a classic, true Epcot icon. He is the perfect shade of purple and orange. He looks the exact same as the Epcot 35 pop figure, but he has his chef outfit on. You can see his big chef's hat, which is all white and includes fold details. And then if you look at his shirt, you can see the wrinkles in his white chef coat with the 6 black dots going up. And he even has a little red bow tie there at the top. He is holding a nice tray full of many amazing treats. We see a little taco, a cake, a little shrimp. And is that some sort of Dole Whip float? We're gonna say that it is. So happy that Funko and Disney Parks are like working together more and creating these special edition Funko Pops. I absolutely love them, although my wallet does not. I love them, and I'm looking forward to seeing many more Disney Park pop figures in the future. Now this other pop is one I am extremely excited about. This is the 2019 Fall Convention exclusive Kevin with Up House Pop Town sets. I think this is amazing. I am extremely happy that they are doing this. You guys may remember in one of my past Q&As I said that they should make like ride vehicles and things. I feel like we're getting to that point right here. This is the Pop Town, so it includes one character from the movie or show and then the corresponding house or building that kind of goes with it. They've had ones for like SpongeBob and Scooby-Doo and everything, but Disney's getting involved and I'm very excited about it. Another pop figure that was released at the New York City Comic Con, which is the fall convention that this was released at, was this amazing Mickey Mouse Matterhorn Funko Pop. It is amazing. It is very expensive, and that one will not be available anywhere else. So I'm currently hunting that one down online at the moment. But this one actually came out on boxlunch.com. This was $49.99. It came out to about $50. So what you would expect from a pop set, although this is slightly more expensive because how big the Up House is. This box is giant. This is the size box you would see one of the 10-inch pop figures, very similar to the Ezra pop that I got in my Haunted Mansion Funko video. Make sure you guys check that out, linked down below. Let's take a look at this amazing box. Taking a look here at the top left, you see the Pop Town icon and these amazing leaves all around the top. It says Kevin with Up House. It even has the grape soda bottle cap. This is Pop Town number 5. Looking down here in the middle, you can see the amazing graphic of Paradise Falls along with the figures. And below that, you can see some more leaves, mountains, and this really cool tag that features the Up logo. logo. You can also see the sticker there that says Funko Exclusive 2019 Fall Convention Limited Edition. Looking on the sides again, it just includes that classic Funko text and additional graphics. Looking on the back, it has this really cool old map postage stamp effect. It says Pop Town, the Up logo, and includes the bottle cap once again. And then below that, you can see the actual graphics of the figures. And again, it just says Kevin with Up House. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. Like, I feel like this was just taken out of the movie, or like I'm just a giant right now and I just picked up the house right out of the movie. The balloon proportions are a little bit off, but I think that's what makes it Funko, because like the eyes are bigger and everything, so that was kind of their unique twist on this particular set. This is something you always want to do. Like, I love the models of things. Like, I love walking through, like, Disneyland or Disney World, like, in the hotels and stuff sometimes. They'll have models of, like, the cruise ships or of the actual park itself. I think those are so amazing. Like, I'd love to just sit down and make one of those. So this brings that vibe to me. This is literally a tiny little model of the Up House, and it is adorable. Let's take a closer look at it. You can see all of the shingles, all of the window frames. You see all of that in this. You even see the little bent porch and the steps even. There's even the house number on it and every little detail on the door. You can see that classic blue hose that was used, and all of the amazing colors of the house are featured all around the sides. You can even see some of the electrical boxes and pipes running up and down the house. And on the back you can see some more pipes, an extra little door there. I love the colors of this house. And of course, looking up at the top, you can see all of the white strings holding up all of the beautifully colored balloons, and they're really shiny and reflective. This is amazing. I'm in love with this. I'm so excited to display this. I'm very excited to see what other buildings they might make. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thinking back to the Disney parks, I'd love to see like one of the castles or even the Epcot ball, but in the pop art style would be so cool, just to have the models of attractions and different classic things you would see not only in Disney parks but for other Disney movies. Our last little pop for this video is little Kevin that goes with the Up House. He is all dark blue. You can see the details of the fur. He even has the shaded little feathers on his head. I love the airbrush effect they use on his beak, from the red to the yellow to the green around his eyes. I love all of the beautiful neon colors there on his body, and then he just has the dark gray feet. So that is all of the pops for this video. Let me know down below in the comments which pop was your favorite. I'm in love with both of them. I cannot choose. They're so amazing. I'm looking forward to the future of pops, and Disney is working so well with Funko right now, creating so many more new items from the Disney Parks exclusives to now these Pop Town sets I am in love with. I love them so much. Also, Disney Cupcake merchandise is on sale now. It is 35% off today through the rest of the weekend, so make sure you guys check it out, link down below. Magnets are available now, new designs are up, pins, totes, shirts, hoodies, wall art, posters, mugs, travel mugs, laptop cases, phone cases, anything Disney Cupcake. Go check it out, link down below, tpublic.com. Also, make sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter, as I do post pictures of all of these amazing items before the videos and after. You guys can see some behind the scenes fun stuff happening. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Many new Halloween videos coming all month long, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And as always, remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!